How to view Skype chat remotely from any device. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, find the best geofencing solutions, discuss social media spying methods, and fight cyberbullying together. In this video, we will introduce how to view Skype chat remotely from any device. If your loved ones or employees are not willing to show you their Skype messages, you need a solution to track their Skype chat. So watch this video until the end, because in this video, we will discuss how to view Skype chat remotely from any device. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. What is Skype? Skype is a downloadable software that allows you to make free telephone calls over the internet anywhere in the world. Skype's first started as computer software providing the ability to make and receive calls over the internet free of charge, with the ability to use webcams and a built-in chat system. Ultimately, it is a voice-over IP program that has quickly gained popularity in the mobile cell phone field. Skype was founded in 2003 by a group of people from Sweden and Denmark, and the first public beta version was released on August 29th of 2003. Acquired by Microsoft Corporation on the 10th of May 2011 for $8.5 billion, the company was integrated as one of Microsoft's divisions, followed by acquiring all of Skype Technologies, the final acquisition completed on the 13th of October 2011. After coming under Microsoft's roof, Skype itself has been through major changes and improvements. Also, Microsoft introduced Skype both for business and individuals. Why you have to track on Skype chat conversation. A few advantages can be gained by monitoring and logging Skype usage. If you're a parent, you may be concerned whom your child or teenagers are communicating with, if the pictures and videos they've shared are being kept appropriate, and so on. Business cell phones can often provide you call logs, but users on Skype need additional software to be monitored. This can ensure your employees are not communicating with non-authorized parties or spending work hours on their personal conversations. How to view Skype chat remotely from any device. In this video, you'll find out how to track on Skype chats when time is of the essence. Check out the two best methods to track Skype app remotely. Method 1 is to monitor Skype activity with mSpy. For a long time, providers could not offer a possibility to view, monitor, or track any Skype activity over cell phones and mobile app versions of the software. But considering the obstacles, some providers are capable to offer full visibility on contacts and messages with time and date stamps. mSpy is one of those providers, and even more, it could check the deleted messages. They help you to monitor Skype logs of full chats, access to media files, and detailed call history. To monitor their Skype chat with the mSpy app, you need to follow these steps. Go to mspy.com and sign up. Select a subscription and make a payment. Open your inbox and find a welcome letter. Log into your mSpy account using the credentials provided in that letter. Follow the installation instructions to install mSpy on the device you want to monitor. Start monitoring their online activity and see someone's private messages on Skype right away. Note that mSpy is not just a Skype tracker. It's a feature-rich monitoring tool that helps people know what their loved ones are up to online. Method 2. Monitor the usage of both Skype and Skype for Business within Microsoft's predefined bars. There are two different versions of Skype available, Skype and Skype for Business, and both offer distinctive features and security standards. Is it possible to monitor Skype? In a way, yes. You can monitor the usage of both Skype and Skype for Business within Microsoft's predefined bars. Microsoft has given Skype Manager Utility, which is the central control center for Skype. A company can monitor Skype usage by time, date, duration, and destination of calls and conversations using the control center. The administrator can look over the member's activity, but getting permission from all members to access their info is mandatory. Without permission, the administrator only has access to the credit balance of members. Regarding Skype for Business, the user data is stored on Microsoft servers, though the need for close monitoring would not be necessary. Skype for Business includes monitoring data and reports like peer-to-peer activity, conference participant activity, client user report, block user reports, and an option to turn on the call quality dashboard to monitor call quality. Straightforwardly, using the Central Control Center, you can monitor the data generated by the user activity, which we can also phrase as metadata. Like it is voiced above, the administrators can track user-generated reports, reports on blocked users, source and destination of messages, call durations, call date, and call time. Technically, it can be described as monitoring the data of data, say metadata, but it is not possible to understand what the conversation was about or what did the messages convey actually. And in the nick of time, Microsoft didn't add this functionality in any of their Skype versions, which leaves no option but to rely on a third-party tool. Skype is an essential tool both for business and individuals when it comes to telecommunication services. Skype monitoring tools help to increase employee productivity. With this tool, you can track user activities. The conversation context remains a mystery. Teens love Skype because they can text, share media files, make phone or video calls for free, and it's also a favorite spot for bullies and predators, making it imperative to keep an eye on your child's Skype activities. I hope that after reading our solutions on how to view Skype chat remotely from any device, you'd know more about how to protect your loved ones. Thumbs up if you like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye!